Hey everyone, what's up? It's Starfire. In this video, I'm going to be giving some tips for those who are just starting out with playing the Ocarina for the very first time. So, have you ever wondered why your ocarina sounds airy and out of tune? Well, here are a few things that can help with that. One of them is your posture, and number two, the angle of your ocarina. And my tip for the angle, it's like don't tilt your ocarina. Like, you don't want to tilt it down, for example. Yeah, you don't want to tilt it down. And three, there's a technique called the acute bend technique where you have your head tilted a little bit to help you achieve the higher notes. Like, say for example, you were trying to get the high E on the ocarina in tune. It's like the acute bend technique can help with that. And if you want to see a related video to this video, check out David Eric Ramos, or the YouTube channel David Eric Ramos. So anyway, back to what I was talking about the acute bend technique, is if you were trying to reach the high notes, you just tilt your head a little bit, like this. So I could play the high D, like. And, if you wanted to play the high E, you would just do the same thing. Yeah, I know I played the high F. Anyway. Trying to think of what else to say. There's also different types of breathing. It's like there's chest breathing, and then there's breathing from your diaphragm. So the first one I did was the chest breathing, where you just. But breathing from your diaphragm, you probably can't see. But breathing from your diaphragm, it would just be like here, and you would just breathe in. So, yeah. I just figured I would do a tutorial video for those who were just starting out with the ocarina. So yeah. If you guys liked this tutorial video, and leave a comment down below in the comments section what tutorial video I should do next. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial video. So, thanks for watching.